Hi everyone, and make you welcome back. Today we'll be doing the all year round lettuce. I'm transplanting them at the moment. I've just got the final few to do, and saw us build the light box the other day, and you can see how well that's working. I mean, these are the broad beans. See how nice and straight they are. Definitely seem to be liking that. Your sweet peas, you can just about see them growing there. They're nearly all up. We've got a couple of little trays of potatoes chitting. And the ordinary peas, well, I don't really know what's gone wrong here. We've got one really big one, and all the others are starting, but they're a little bit slow. And that's really the size I want to pick off for tender shoots, which is good. And we're going to plant some garlic later on as well, because if you look at this, it's actually started to sprout. So if it's decided to sprout on its own, it must be time to plant it. So I'm going to plant some of them. I'll just sort of break up a few cloves and pop them in a little tray there. Obviously we've eaten the cress again, so it's time to plant some more cress. Right, that's it, we'll get on and see what we're doing. So basically, I've only got a few left here to do, but just make a hole. Get your little seedling out, pop it in the hole and cover it up. Just make another hole. No root on that. Amazing, isn't it, really? Because we're doing it really young, they'll get established really quickly and shoot away they will. Got a longer root, that one. It may seem a little bit pointless planting it in these little trays to start with and then transplanting it again, but I think they'd be lost in a big tray to start off. Look at that, very much. Only just started that one, but I'm going to plant it anyway. And I think I'll put two in that because I've got just a couple left over. Amazing. Well, that's it. They're done. And there's our tray, all year round lettuce. And there's a little sprinkling of water. Obviously we can put it in the light box here, or just leave it where it is because it's in the conservatory, and that should get away well. I mean, the garlic, there's nothing special really to do with garlic. I mean, if it's growing, as it is, you know, you just make a hole with a dibber or something like that. I just put the garlic in, and that'll grow away well. So I mean, this is like so simple. As you see, the roots are growing there. Obviously I filled these trays up earlier on just to make it quicker really. But this should give us a really early crop of garlic. Lovely set of roots. There, see that? As I say, if the plant's decided to grow on its own, it must be time to plant it really, mustn't it? Well, it is for me anyway. Well, that's it. One tray planted. I will label it up, but I mean, we all know what garlic is. just as good. And obviously, just break the corns off. And pop them in. I might have to do another tray here actually. Got a couple of rotten ones there. That's strange. Right. Got one left. Let's put two in one of them. There we go. And there we go, 2 trays of garlic done. Very nice. I'll give them a little water later on and just basically forget all about those. And obviously it's time to get some more cress seeds on the go. So you see it's empty again. Just give it a little sprinkle. That's all it needs. And in about a week's time I suppose we'll be eating that again. Just enough for another sandwich. That's it, so we've done the garlic, we've looked at them, better put them in cover, we've transplanted our lettuce and we've planted our garlic. I think that's enough for today, see you on the next one.